Kakadosh Boker Tov, we're just continuing with Siman Tafresh Pevav. There's now Dinet Taanit Esther. We finished with Arba Parashiyot. Maram brings down in Sifale B'Chanukah U'Purim Mutar Litanol Lifneim U'Lacherem. On Chanukah and Purim, you're allowed to fast before and afterwards. The same halakha would apply not only to fasting, also to Hesped. Obviously, here this is going to be, because it's not like a regular din of the Dinei Yom Tov. It's only the actual day, which is a Yom Tov, and not proceeding afterwards. So there's no Yisru Chag, there's no other things as well. In halakha Bet Maram brings down Mitanim B'Yud Gimel B'Adar. We fast on the 13th of Adar, and if it comes out on Sunday, so then we're going to do it on Thursday. The Ramah does bring down that this is a very interesting fast, that at the end of the day, it's not the same chovah as the fast, whether it's going to be Asra B'Tevet, Shiva Asra B'Tamuz, those are usually for sad days. This is actually going to be something for a happier occasion, but at the end of the day, it's still a fast, and they do it Zechel Taanit Esther, because that Sif Gimel brings down that there are some people that actually fast 3 days Zechel Taanit Esther. Remember, during the time of Megillah, they fasted for 3 days. So therefore, there were some people that fasted for 3 days. But since it's not as strong, so therefore, obviously, you could be much more lenient to do with women which are pregnant or feeding or going to be sick people. It's much more than a regular fast day. So you do have much more to rely on. Now, when we said that it wasn't the same like a regular fast day of sadness, that's why during the Mincha of the Ta'anit, since there's no Tacharonim, there's nothing, because you're already towards Erev Purim. So therefore, obviously, you're not going to be doing Tacharonim or other things like that. Here, the Mishnah brings down during the times of Mordechai and Esther, on the 13th of Adar, they came, La'amod Nafsham, they came and they went to fight for their lives. So they came and they were asking for mercy in Tacharonim, that HaKadosh Baruch Hu should take vengeance against their enemies. So that's why they said that Moshe Rabbeinu Alav Shalom B'yom Shel Yicham Amalek was fasting. So therefore, the same thing during the time of Mordechai and Esther, Hayumitanim also, they were fasting, the same thing. And therefore, from then on, Nagu Kol Yisrael Yitano B'Yud Gimel B'Adar. They came and they started fasting on the 13th of Adar, and it's called Taanit Esther, in order to remember that HaKadosh Baruch Hu always sees and listens to our tefillot when we're going to start crying on a day of Ta'anit. And that's exactly what we did. We came and we made sure we did Ta'anit. Bezat Hashem will speak about it on Shabbat, the concept of Machar, that it's going to be that he purposely asked for another day in order to do Ta'anit, because when we are fasting, that's when HaKadosh Baruch Hu listens to our tefillot. So therefore, obviously, we do the Ta'anit Esther, because that's what they did in order to listen to their tefillot. So therefore, we're also going to do Ta'anit Esther, to fast, in order that Hashem should listen to us as well.